What's up guys, it's Jeremy Cash. I'm back with the sneaker division. Today, I'm just opening up some loot crates for us. It's not gonna take that long at all. We'll just go ahead and jump right into it. So the first one we're gonna open up is just one of the loot wares. As you see, I don't have so many this time because I think this is just my actual 1 month supply. So the first one's just the t-shirt. And that's a dope t-shirt, I love it. We got Justice League, Kid Robot status. So you got Green Lantern, Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, and Cyborg. So that's pretty dope. I like it a lot. On to the next one. So this is another loot wear. This is one with the socks, the underwear, and the shirt. This time we got the Flintstones socks. Just looks like maybe one of the dinosaurs or something like that prints. And it just says Flintstones. That's all, nothing too fancy. I wish that they gave these things in bigger sizes, man, because they do not fit my feet at all. We got another Starfleet Academy shirt. If you watched one of the previous episodes, you know that this is a rerun. So they got to step their game up, man. They need to get more options here. Then we got some boxer briefs. These are really nice. They feel really good. They are Flintstones. As you can tell, nothing too crazy. Just got Barney and Fred on the front, some tools and stuff like that. Let's see, next one is also a loot wear. This one is just a t-shirt as well. So let's see what this is. This is a Batman shirt already, I can tell. Let's see what it is. Oh wow, what the heck? It's a polar bear dressed up as the Joker fighting Batman and Robin? I am gonna have to ask somebody about this because I have no idea what this is referencing to. That's crazy. All right, well, let's get into the loot crate. Come on, get in there. Let's see, what do we got in here? All right, we got a Back to the Future keychain. Let's see what this looks like. It looks pretty cool. I think it's just the car, the DeLorean. Yup, so that's pretty cool. Little DeLorean keychain. Then we got Starfleet Academy patches. Is that an eye patch? I can't even tell. I don't know. I'll have to figure out what these are. But they look pretty cool. I like everything about them. Like obviously, like I said, I like Star Trek a lot. So whatever these are, we'll have to figure it out. And then we got oh, that's cool. So it's a postcard hologram of Back to the Future, and whenever you flip it to its side, his brother and his sister disappear, just like in the movie. That's pretty dope. I like that a lot. And then for the pin, we got, I think that's from Fallout? I'm not sure. And then last but not least, for the shirt, we got a Marvel shirt, and it's Doctor Strange. Looking dope, right? This is probably one of my favorite shirts that I've gotten from them so far. That's really cool looking. That's just the regular loot crate, by the way, guys. Now this one is gonna be the Lootcrate DX. Like I said, this is the most expensive loot crate that they got. At least that mails out every single month. This one has, let's see, let's start off with, oh, the Good Feathers from Animaniacs, little toy statue. That's actually really cool. They just came out and announced that they're re-releasing and reanimating the Animaniacs show, so that's going to be a lot of fun to get into. I can't wait to watch that. Let's see, we got a nice little tie-dye t-shirt here. And this one is Looney Tunes. It's so funny, the Mandela effect, I swear that this used to say Looney, T-O-O-N-S. But it's definitely, or T-U-N-E-S. I don't know, what do you guys remember? Do you remember Looney Tunes or Looney Tunes? Let's see what else is in here. So, just keeping with the Animaniacs theme, this one's got a little bag. I don't know what kind of bag this is. This is a really weird bag, but it almost looks like a cereal box. Maybe it's a makeup bag or something like that. But it's Pinky and the Brain, guys. That's funny, yeah. That's pretty cool. I like it a lot. I love Pinky and the Brain. That was one of my favorite shows growing up. Let's see what else we got here. We got Lootcrate DX pin that's got, I think that's the robot from Jetsons. And then we got some more Flintstones. We got some chip clips. So those are pretty cool. Little dino chip clips. And last but not least, we have a Justice League Hall of Justice Metropolis mouse pad, I believe. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's really nice. That's about it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. There's gonna be a video here, and so you can subscribe over here. Remember, it's always nice to be important, more important to be nice. Have a good one, guys.